In this video you see, step by step, how to form an LLC in New Jersey yourself, directly on the official state portal. The state filing fee is $100, and the whole process takes about 10 minutes. No formation service required. New Jersey runs its own filing site, Business Formation, at the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. Look at the bar down the left, because that is the whole job in one picture. Business information, registered agent, members, other provisions, signatures, review, payment. The best part is what this page does not ask for. There is no account, no username, and no password. The portal does offer an account, but read what it says. It is for businesses that file often or that need to share a payment account across staff. For one company, one time, you simply press Get Started and fill the form as a visitor. Filing costs $100. 2 fields, and the second one has a trap in it. In the drop-down pick NJ Domestic Limited Liability Company, and make sure you take domestic rather than foreign. Domestic simply means the company is being created in New Jersey. Foreign is for a company that already exists in another state. Then type your name and read the gray line under the box, because it is easy to miss. Do not enter a designator such as Corp or Ltd or LLC here. New Jersey adds that on the next screen, so typing it twice is the most common mistake on this page. Our example company is called Juniper Crest Ventures, and that is exactly what goes in, nothing more. This is the screen that adds the ending to your name, and New Jersey makes you pick it from a fixed list rather than type it. You get LLC, LLC with periods, and the spelled-out versions such as Limited Liability Company. Legally they are all fine, so this is purely how your company name will look on every document forever. Most people take the plain LLC. Whatever you choose, the portal joins it to the name you typed, so from here on the company reads Juniper Crest Ventures LLC. This screen looks demanding and is almost entirely optional. The Employer Identification Number, written EIN, is your federal tax number from the IRS. If you do not have one yet, leave it empty, because you can get it free after the company exists and it is not needed to form it. The NAICS code is an industry classification, also optional. Duration you leave blank, and blank means your LLC exists indefinitely, which is what almost everyone wants. The effective date is already filled with today, so your company starts the moment New Jersey accepts the filing. Change it only if you deliberately want a later start date, and a common reason is starting on the 1st of January to keep your tax year tidy. New Jersey asks what the business actually does, and one plain sentence is enough. Ours says General Business Consulting Services. Keep it broad on purpose, because a narrow purpose can come back to bite you if the business changes direction later, and a general description means you never have to amend the filing just because you added a service. There is an upload button beside it, and you can ignore that. It exists for filers who want to attach a longer purpose as a document, which almost nobody needs. This is the company's own address, and here is the part that surprises people. It does not have to be in New Jersey. The drop-down lists every state, and there is a link for an international address as well, so if you run the business from another state or from another country, you put your real address here. The one address that must be in New Jersey is the registered office, and that is the next screen, which is exactly the distinction most people get wrong. Every New Jersey company needs a registered agent, a person or company at a real New Jersey street address who accepts legal post for you. This screen gives you 2 ways to do it, and which one you take depends on whether you live in the state. If you do not, and that is most people watching, you hire a registered agent service based in New Jersey. They charge somewhere around $50 to $150 a year, and when you sign up they give you a registered agent number. You type that number into the box on this screen and you are finished with the agent, because the number tells the state who they are and the manual form on the next screen is skipped entirely. That is the shortcut. If instead you live in New Jersey and want to be your own agent, take the link above the box, enter a registered agent/office, and that is the route we show next. Your agent's address becomes public record either way, which is the other good reason people use a service. This is the manual route, the one for people who already have a New Jersey street address. Name, email, and the office address. Look at the office state field. It is grayed out and locked to New Jersey, and you cannot change it. That single locked field is the whole reason the service route on the last screen exists, because if you have no address in the state you simply cannot fill this in. Read the warning at the top too. It has to be a street address, and a post office box is only allowed if the street address is listed as well, so a mailbox on its own will not do. At the bottom sits a tick box that the form will not let you past, and it is worth actually reading rather than clicking through. You are confirming two things: that the agent details are correct, and that the agent knows about the role and has accepted it. That second half is the one people skip over. You cannot quietly name your cousin, or a service you have not hired yet, as your registered agent. Ask them first, because legal notices go to that address and a missed lawsuit is exactly the kind of thing that goes badly by default. Tick it and continue. Members are the owners of the LLC. The list starts empty, and Add New Member opens a small window for a name and an address. For a one-person company you appear once, here, as the single member. For a partnership you run through this window once per owner. Notice this window has a state drop-down, unlike the agent screen, so members can live anywhere, in another state or another country. Save, and the person appears in the table with Edit and Delete beside them, so a typo here is easy to fix before you go on. The last screen before you sign. New Jersey lets you add up to 10 extra articles, and for a normal LLC you add none, because how you actually run the company belongs in your operating agreement, which is a private document, and not in a public filing you would have to pay to amend later. So leave it empty and look at the bar on the left. Business information, registered agent, members, and other provisions are all ticked. What is left is signatures, review and payment, and that is where this walkthrough stops, because from here you are signing your own filing with your own details and paying your own $100. You have seen every decision the form asks you to make. The rest is your name and your card. That was the complete filing. New Jersey wants an annual report from every LLC, and it costs $75. It is due each year by the last day of the month in which you formed the company, so your filing date sets your deadline for life. Skip it 2 years running and the state revokes your company's right to do business. For free templates, your operating agreement, EIN guidance, and optional services, visit FreeLLC.us. The link is in the description.